Hey guys, welcome to another video. As you see in the title, I have an Aliexpress haul. I'll be showing you some beauty items or beauty products that I ordered on that site. If you don't know, Aliexpress is online shop. Yeah, with different suppliers. I'm gonna test out the products and let you know how it goes. And also, if you haven't subscribed on my channel yet, please do hit the subscribe button below so you'll see more of my videos. If you're interested to see this haul, please keep on watching. Okay, so let's start with the first product. I got these Juno imitation velvet sponges from Aliexpress, and they have different shapes. It comes with this like teardrop thing, and then one with a flat surface here. And I'll put the info right here, how much it costs. And I ordered two of these and two of these. I noticed that when you wash them, eventually the furry stuff, those kind of hair like got less and less, and it turned to this kind of sponge, the regular beauty sponge. So this is how it looks like unused, and this one is the one I have been using. It's still really good, still works, still applies the makeup flawlessly. Yeah, that's the only thing that I noticed. After a few washes, the furry stuff disappears. For its price, it's actually good. I would actually buy more. It's something that is cheap but it works, so yeah. So the next item I have is this for faux freckles. I've seen this on a viral video using a henna to make freckles. I actually have tried this already. My tip for this is when you apply this, you should have a bare face, no oils or moisturizer, so that the product will show more. And you have to leave it for, I guess, overnight. You can put it on your face before you go to sleep. For me, I felt a little bit uncomfortable because the smell is kind of strong. I didn't have any reaction because I did a patch test at first. You should probably do a patch test first to see if you are allergic to any of the ingredient that is here, because some people have henna allergies that could really swell up and can create blisters, and you don't want that on your face. At first, you wouldn't see any dramatic change. Once you remove the product, it has to develop, and after 2 days, you would see the full effect of the henna. So the next item that I have here is this eyelid tapes. I have two of them, one in large and one in small. It comes in like this, and this is more of the newer version, which is lace. This is like lace strip. Use water. It comes with this, and then all you have to do is wet the product, and then it will get sticky. They recommend that you put this after your eyeshadow. I'll put eyeshadow first, and then I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm back. So I'm gonna try to show you how this one works. I have like a hooded eye. Let's see if it makes a difference. So it also comes with this plastic tweezer, so you can just pull them out. Then I'm just using the spray bottle. This is just water. It becomes sticky. I don't see any like difference. I feel like my eyelids are still the same. It doesn't feel like I have anything on my eyelid because it's very soft. And for makeup, I guess if you are really close to my face, you can see it, but from afar, you wouldn't really notice it. But I don't see any difference, honestly, but maybe it would work better for monolids, not exactly hooded eyes like mine. So that's that. I have something interesting that I seen a lot on my ads on Facebook and Instagram. It's a magnetic eyeliner, and the lashes will stick to the liner. So it comes in this packaging, And it comes with a pair of lashes. This is supposedly the eyeliner that is magnetic. Also comes with a tweezer for the eyelash applicator. It came with an instruction, but I lost that. You have to fully dry the liner before you put in the lashes. This is how the product looks like, and it's black. It smells like an eyeliner. Nothing too weird. And I'll just put this on real quick. So I have put the liquid eyeliner on. I'm still waiting for it to dry because it hasn't fully dry yet. And for the consistency, it's like any other eyeliner or liquid eyeliner that I've used. For the lash applicator, I don't see the point of using a metal one when you have like a magnetic lash. It tends to stick to this. So maybe I'll use the plastic one. Yeah, so fancy. It has a mirror and everything. That's stick quite nice. Let's try with this hairdryer. Whoa. Still there. It hold on. So I guess this is a great invention. False eyelashes is always a struggle. It can be really messy, but this one is actually great because it stays in place, and I would actually use this. I do recommend this eyelashes. It's fairly easy to use. So the last product that I have here is actually not from Aliexpress, but it is from Wish, which is kind of the same thing. It's also manufactured in China, and it's this wig. It's 21 inches, I think. It's fairly long, and it's like really soft. It's a good quality. I've used it in one video, and it's also thick. It's ombre. It blends it pretty nice, and you can actually flat iron or curl this one. It's really good quality. But the thing that I wish I checked is I should have gotten the lace front, because lace front are also cheap. I think it just blends seamlessly. And you just have to take care of this. Try to brush it before putting it in storage. Just have this little thing that is actually a dispenser for a paper towel, and I just put the head there. So those are all the products that I ordered from Aliexpress and Wish. It's always fun browsing on that app. It's interesting that it's so cheap, maybe because it's from China, but it would take time to arrive. It would take like weeks before it arrives. It's always fun trying these things out. When things actually works, I am so happy. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Tell me what you think on the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!